Going over a little bit more about reading music as a whole rather than reading specific notes. So when we have a piece of music, there's some terms we should know about certain segments and so forth. So that's what we'll be getting into today. Well, the very first example I want to show you is what's called DC al fine. DC stands for de Capo, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Not 100% sure. But how this works is the way we read the music. So let's say we have the music, here's the bar lines. So measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, measure 4, keep going. And then we reach this word that says DC al fine. This means go to the beginning and then keep playing until we reach a word that says fine. So this is basically, the DC means go to the beginning, stop at the fine. This is what this is telling you. So here's a picture of something with DC al fine. You start here, play it, go all the way to the end. Once we get here, go to the beginning, keep playing, keep going, stop at the fine. Boom, you're done. So that's an example of one of these. And the next one is DC al coda. Another one we need to know about is DC al coda. The way this works is, you're reading your music, you reach the end, go back to the beginning, play it again, and then somewhere along the music you'll see what is called a coda sign. It looks like an oval with a T through it, I think. When you get to this, you will find another one farther down in the music. So you're reading along, you hit the coda sign the second time around, and then you continue from the other coda sign. It's sort of like a portal. So here's your vision, your music playing, boom, boom, continue. So let's start from scratch. Reading your music, la 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 la. You reach the end of the music. Go back to the beginning. Reading your music, blah 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 la 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 la. Hit a coda sign. Now we can find a coda sign here, which means you start here, or we can find a coda sign somewhere else, like such as a separate segment, and we finish here. So we're playing, we reach the end, go back to the beginning, go until we hit the coda sign, and then it takes us over here and play this final piece. So that is an example of DC al coda. Here we have a third one, DS al fine. DS stands for Dal Segno. Whoopsies. So, for this we have to learn a new sign. It's a confusing one, but it's not so bad. I think it looks like a fancy S. That's not how you draw an S, moron. Like this, sorta, almost. Then it has a line through it like this, and 2 dots. So this is the segno, and this will help us when we're reading music. So let's give an example of this. What this means is you play till the end, and when you get to the end, it will say, let's say this is the end over here, DS al fine. This means go to the segno. Sorry. So we go back, and we see this fancy looking S thing with a line through it and 2 dots. I'll show you a picture of it later so it makes more sense. And then this means go, keep playing until you reach the word fine. That's the whole process. Once you reach the fine, there should be a double bar, which means to end the song. So let's try one. Let's make a little song here with our pen here. So we're playing la 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 la. It's so beautiful. Keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Oh, we hit something that says DS al fine. And somewhere along this song, we crossed something called the segno. It looks like, not like that. Like this. Now, we reach this, oh no, where do we go? Well, we just jump back up to here without playing. So we just continue playing. We don't play anything on this line, so la 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 la. We're back up to here. Keep playing. Somewhere along the line, we're going to see the word fine. So when we played it the first time, we crossed this. We crossed this, la la la. Cross the fine, la 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 la. Reach the end, jump up here, Start playing from here until you reach the fine. We're done. Boom. That is an example of DS al fine. We play the song until we reach the DS al fine. We start at the beginning. Whoops. La la la. Here's, let's say this is where we're starting. Let me just make it smaller so we can actually see it. La la, we play the whole thing, reach the end, then we go back to the Segno, which I think is right, yes, right there. Then once we reach this, we keep playing until we reach fine, right there. So that is how you properly play a DS al fine. And by the way, if you can't see that, that is what, if you can see that, that is what the Segno looks like. Here's a Segno. Cool. It's a pretty cool banner. So yeah, that is DS al fine. We have one more to go over, which will be cool. So yeah, this one is DS al coda. This one is probably the most advanced of them all. DS al coda. So now we have two signs we need to worry about. The coda sign, which looks like that, and the Segno. Like that. Now, when we're reading music, here is how a DS al coda works. We're reading, then we reach something that says DS al coda, just like for the DS al fine. Now, we go back to the Segno, which, just like that, DS al fine. So go back to the little S looking thing with a slash and two dots. Now, we keep reading, and remember how coda works? We look for something that says to the coda, or coda. So we're reading, and then we see something that says to the coda, or coda. I want to straight coda. Coda. So now that we see that, we know we need to go somewhere else. We jump down here to the coda sign and continue the song from there until we reach the end. Hopefully that all makes sense. It's a little more of a process. You may need to practice that a while. And here's a picture of it. I got this Finale's website, which is a music making program. So we start here. We're going. And we see DS al coda, which means we go back until we reach the fino. Oh, why did I call it a fino? Segno. And then we keep playing until we reach the two coda. And then we reach the coda. From here, when we reach the two coda sign, we jump, don't play. We jump to here and continue playing. So it's all of these are played in a non-stop motion. When I say don't play, I mean don't. When we get to the coda, we just jump here and continue playing. We don't play any of this stuff here. So if we're playing, it should da 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 da. It should be a consistent playing, not interrupted by these. The only thing is where we're reading. So if we have quarter notes the whole song, we reach a DS al coda, and then there's 4 more quarter notes. It should sound. Just because we reached a DS al coda does not mean we stop playing, does not mean we change the tempo unless marked. Or if there's rest, then we don't play. But then, otherwise, we should be continuing playing. So we're playing till we reach this, go up here, continue playing from that spot. Don't play anything to get up there. Hopefully that all makes sense. That is the basics. Actually, that's pretty advanced, actually. But that's pretty much all you'll need to know for reading complex music pieces. So in the next video, I'll be going over a couple more things related to this.